Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to initiate a project mobilization, or in other words, assign a project to an employee or change the existing details of the already existing project for an employee within the employee directory of KEBS. Once the user navigates to the employee directory, the user can click on the Quick Actions option. Here, from the drop-down list, the user needs to select the Initiate Project Mobilization option. The Project Mobilization form appears. Here, the user needs to enter the ID or name of the person for whom the project is to be assigned and select the reason for action. The existing project details will be fetched and the user can modify the details of the same. If a new project is to be added, the New Project button can be clicked and the particulars can be mentioned. In order to remove an existing project, the Remove Project button can be used. Once all the particulars have been filled, the Initiate Mobilization option is clicked. Once done, the project mobilization has been initiated successfully and the same will be reflected within the project's app for the particular employee. Thank you for watching.